Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University. After last week's Gen 8 option part install video, we had a few requests for the aluminum options for the axles. So today we're going to start off by installing the aluminum caster mounts. These aluminum parts are much stronger than the stock plastic parts and they look great too. Alright, let's start the install. So we already started the disassembly process by removing the body and wheels and tires. We can move on to unscrewing the screws that hold the tie rod to the steering knuckles. Once the front link has been removed, now you can unscrew the two screws that secure the steering knuckle portal to the caster block. And just be careful that the shoulder bushings don't fall out. With a 1.5mm hex driver, remove the three screws that hold the caster mount to the axle. And now you can wiggle the caster mount off of the axle. Turn it to one side and unscrew the shock pivot ball. Once the caster mount is removed, find the aluminum replacement and reinstall it. Don't forget to transfer the shoulder bushings to the new mounts. After reinstalling the rest of the factory parts back to their original locations, repeat the process for the other side. Our new aluminum caster mounts are mounted up to the axle and they look great. Now, what do you guys want to see next? Do you want to see the aluminum portal center gearbox housing install or the aluminum transmission case? Let us know in the comments section below, and while you're there, please hit the subscribe button. Links for all the products shown here today will be listed in the description, and of course, we'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing How-To.